Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's tutorial I will show you on how you can connect TikTok to your Facebook account. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now first things first, you want to head over to your TikTok profile right here, so you can just go ahead and open it up. Once inside, you can then go ahead and navigate through your profile icon by clicking on the profile section below your screen. Now once inside, you basically want to copy your username, and the easy way to do this is by clicking on the username below your profile picture, and as you can see, we have the username copied message. Right after, you want to navigate through your Facebook account, and once again you can just go ahead and open up your profile page right here. Once inside, you can then go ahead and click on edit, and inside edit, scroll all the way down until you see the links section. You can just go ahead and click on edit, and from here click on add social link. You can just go ahead and paste your username right here, and you can choose TikTok. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.